What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the Avorak. Okay guys, the Avorak is going to be an AI token and currently it's on the ICO phase. Okay, so this ICO will have 6 phases. If I'm not mistaken, is it 6 phases? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually 8 phases. Okay guys, so more about that in a minute. Okay, so the reason why I'm bringing this project up, it might be a good opportunity to make money, and yeah, it seems to be interesting from my opinion. Okay, so currently phase 1 will end in 1 day, 9 hours, 46 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, ICO process sold 56.7 cents. Total Avarock tokens available on the phase 1 is 3.5 million. Okay, the current price is 0.06. all right, and if you join now or until this phase 1 is okay, you'll get a 10% on your purchase. Okay, so what is Avarock? Okay, Avarock is the premier suite of AI artificial intelligence products that makes it easy to optimize and automate workflow. Our range AI solutions include trade bots, chatbots, and image generators that are all powered by blockchain technology. Okay, so let's see the ecosystem products. Let's see what they got for us. Okay, so Avarock Chat, okay, a fully responsive, self-learning and human-like chat system with an on-demand and intuitive response to questions and tasks. Okay, they will have the Avarock Trade, a sophisticated platform for new and experienced traders to enhance their trading through AI-powered algorithm indicators. They will have the Avarock Create, a set of generative tools that can produce images and text from human-led instructions. And we will have the Avarock Trade Bot, automated trading system that utilize Avarock trades indicators for placing and adjusting long and short positions. And also I'm going to show you how to buy the token. Okay guys, so you will have to sign up, and then once you sign up you will come to this page, but more about that in a minute. All right, scrolling further down we can see the ICO details. Okay, so the ICO, they only going to offer us 28 million, so the total token supply is going to be 40 million. Okay, and the 28 million is going to be dedicated for the ICO, and shortly I'm going to show you the tokenomics. Okay, so the minimum purchase is 30 bucks, maximum purchase 15,000. Okay, launch price is going to be 0.27 cents on the July 16th 2023. Okay, so if you buy now at 6 cents, okay, 6 cents, 6 times 4 is 24 cents. Okay, so this is going to be like 4.5 x. Okay, from now it's going to be 4.5x. Okay guys, and also remember, this is not financial advice. Okay, the token might not even get launched. Okay, so this is just a gamble, but if all goes well, when it comes to the July 16th, all right, so the launch price is going to be 27 cents, and let's imagine that the token skyrocket to 6 bucks. Okay, so that's going to be that's going to be 100x. I'm going to invest 100 bucks. Okay, if I make 100x, so that's going to be 10,000 bucks. Okay, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, simple as that. But I might be wrong and I might lose my 100 bucks, but I decided to go ahead and place my bet on this project. Okay, so phase 1 started on the 1st of March and will end on the 11th of March. Okay, we'll get a 10% bonus, as you can see right here, and the token price is at 6 cents. So phase 2 will start when the phase 1 finishes. Okay, and the bonus is going to be 9%, and as you can see, it will decrease as we go along through the next phases. Okay, and also the bonus decreases, but the token price increases. Okay, so it's best to buy on the earliest phases possible so you can buy it cheap and get a more bonus. Simple as that. Okay, scrolling further down we can see the tokenomics, very important. Okay, So 70% is going to be allocated to the ICO. Like I said, 28 million. Okay, 6% will be allocated to liquidity pools. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Okay, 5% will be for marketing, 4% for the team, 10% for sex listing, and 5% for staking pools. Okay, and over here we got the white paper, little paper, legal disclaimer, and intellectual rights. Okay, staking right here, as you can see, total supply is limited to 40 million Avorak tokens. Okay, so they will have 3 staking pools. Okay, and staking pools are going to be available. The pools will open on the launch day for deposit. Okay, so the launch day is going to be on the 16th of July. Okay, and when the token launches, you will be able to stake your tokens. You will have 3 options. Okay, diamond pool, platinum pool, and gold pool. Okay, guys, the longer you go, essentially the longer you go, the higher will be the APR and more tokens you will receive in return. Okay, so 12 months, 6 months, and 3 months. Okay, minimum APR guaranteed 14.86%. This one is 9%, and this one is 4%. Okay, and the maximum tokens stake limit is 10 million on this one, 7.5 million on this one, and 10 million on this one. All right, and then over here we can see the unstaking dates if you decided to stake on the launch day. Okay, but you know, bear in mind that tokens can be staked at any time, providing there is still space in the desired pool. Okay, why? Because the pools will be funded with 2 million tokens, which is 5% of the total tokenomics. Okay, meaning that there will be no inflation against the total maximum supply. So once once the pools reach the 2 million tokens, okay, game over. No more staking. Okay, the pools will be shut. Okay, because they're not going to mint any more tokens. Okay, which is a really good thing. And over here we have the roadmap, and seems like they are planning to do big things with this project. Okay, so initial alpha stage, token launch, cross network expansion, public beta tests, product feed generations, Avarock network, damn, that's big, production, product expansion, and the list goes on. Okay, so over here we got the white paper. The white paper is quite extensive. Okay, it will take you some time to go through it, but you know, if you are interested in this kind of project, I would highly recommend it to go through the white paper and make sure you understand what the project is. Okay, over here we can see the Avarock team. Okay, I checked the tweeters, and yes, you know, they talk about the project, etc. Okay, guys, and these guys been working along with Amazon, Shopify, Google, etc. Okay, guys, so on the docs you will find more information about these guys. Okay, right, so now how do you participate in this ICO? Okay, so if you want to buy the Avarock token right now on a phase 1 or whatever phase you want to buy, okay, you hit buy. Okay, so when you hit buy, it will take you to this page. Okay, well, I will have to disconnect, but it will take you to a page. Well, let me just log off. Okay, I logged out. So as you can see right here, it will take you to this page, and then you have to, if you don't have an account, you will click sign up here. Okay, so on this one you can use your email address, or you just just create a random email address, but make sure that you are able to enter the email address, because they will send you an email to verify your email address. So you will need to be able to have access to the email so you can verify your account, and then once your account is verified, you can go ahead and purchase the tokens. But essentially, you type your name or your nickname, whatever, your email address, password, retype your password, confirm, and boom, you will have your account. Okay, simple as that. Once you confirm the email address, check the spam box. Okay, check the Avorak spam box, your email address spam box, and check for the Avorak email. Okay, there will be a link, so you can click to confirm that you verify that link. Okay, and then once that's verified, you're good to go. Right, so now let me sign in and let me show you the dashboard. Okay, I'm in. So as you can see right here, my email is been verified. Okay, so this is the receiving wallet. So once the ICO finishes, okay, on the 16th of July, okay, they will send the tokens that I'm going to purchase today to this wallet address, which is my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now how do we buy these tokens? Okay, so as you can see right here, current bonus 10%. So you click on buy. So far they managed to raise amount or sell amount. They sold 2 million tokens. Okay, and you will have 5 options: ETH, BTC, USDT, BNB, or BUSD. I am gonna go with BUSD. Okay, and I'm gonna choose 1,675 tokens. Okay, so the minimum is 30 bucks. Okay, 500 Avorak tokens. Okay, and I'm gonna purchase 1,675 tokens, which is worth at the current phase 100 bucks. Okay, 100.48 bucks. Okay, so that means I will receive a bonus of 10% of my purchase. Okay, so I'll receive an extra 168 tokens. Okay, so I select the coin that I want to buy. Okay, that I want to swap, I mean. Okay, and now we are going to make payment. Okay, we're going to click yes. I'm hereby to agree the token purchase. Okay, so we're going to go and click buy now. Okay, okay, so once you click buy now, right, so this message will pop up. Okay, so please send 100.48 BUSD BSC chain to the address below. The token balance will show in your dashboard only after the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. So what I'm going to do, I am going to copy. Okay, copy. So 148,995. So I'm going to put 0.49 to make it simple. Okay, so I'm going to select the BUSD. I'm going to send it to this address right here, and 100.5. My bad. 100.5. Okay, so what is it? So 148. Okay, I'm going to send 100.5 to that address. Huh? Oh, this is my, seems like this seems to be my MetaMask address. Wait, yeah, this seems to be my MetaMask address. Hang on, 0xC5. Oh yeah, it looks very similar though. It looks very similar. F94, because I know my MetaMask address ends in F94. Yeah, it looks very similar. So 0x4C5. Yeah, it looks very similar. I don't know if it's coincidence or not. Let me close this one. Let me try a different one. Okay, we have a different address to send, so copy. So now we're going to go over to BUSD, send BUSD. We're going to send to their wallet address that we just copied, and we're going to send 100.5. Okay, so we're going to hit next. And then 7D56, 7D56 234, right there. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, I'm gonna confirm on my ledger, and once that's confirmed, we should see the approval on the dashboard. Okay, transaction confirmed. So now just gonna wait a few seconds. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure if this page will automatically be closed, or I'll have to do something else. So let's check the transaction, because I just received. Okay, right there, purchase, pay. Seems like it's still pending a little bit, or maybe not. Purchase. Okay, let's go over to the dashboard and let's see if there is an update. And there you have it, guys. So my token balance is here. It took it probably 2 minutes or so. So I had to come over here to transactions, and on transactions it will show you. There you go. It's ticked. Okay. So if it wasn't here, there was a pay button right here. So you click on pay, and then when you click on that, it will show you. It will ask you, have you paid already? You click yes. Okay, and then once you click yes, the system will check the transaction or whatever. Okay, and then after that, everything goes smooth. Okay, so as you can see right here on the dashboard, I already got my tokens. So 1,843 tokens, total spent $100. Okay, and yes, guys, that's simple. If you are interested in this project, all the links going to be down in the description below, so check it out. So the project is still on ICO stage. It's going to be launched in July, so we still got a few months to go. But you know, that if you want to look for gems where you can make a few X's, here's your chance, right? So this is a pure gamble, not financial advice. Always do your own research. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.